Hi, thank you for watching this STEP Quarterly Progress Report video entitled Report Navigation. My name is Peter Rumbach and I'm with the Evaluation Center at the University of Colorado, Denver. This video is relevant for all grantees and gives a review of basic navigation of the report. By the end of the video, you'll understand how to use the Report Navigation button to navigate through the report, as well as how to navigate back and amend previous sections if absolutely necessary. For this example, I've filled in information for goal areas 3 and 7, and currently I'm on the evaluation section for goal 7. On this page and other pages, you'll see a report navigation button that you can click on, and it will take you to a table of contents. This shows all of the areas for which you have entered information and those areas for which you have not saved information yet. Prior to filling out the report, we strongly encourage you to gather all the information you'll need in order to provide accurate information. You can do this by going to our website and opening up a preview of the report in order to understand which areas you'll need to gather information for. If you are filling out the report and you realize that one of the sections that you had previously entered information contains an error, you can use the Report Navigation button in order to navigate back to that section and enter the correct information. For example, I was currently on Goal 7 Evaluation, and I realized that in Goal 7, Key Activity 1, I need to enter some different information. So if I navigate back to that page and scroll down, I can enter in different information and more accurate information. So for example, let's say I got different information from a colleague or from a different report, I can fill that in. Now I hit Report Navigation again, and I can return to the area that I was previously working on. I'm now working in the Policies section of Goal 7. I have filled in information for the Policy Initiative number 1 that I am working on. As I click Next, you'll see that I've already filled in information for these various pages. I want to show you, for example, if I get to this final page and I realize that one of the previous pages contains an error. If I click on Report Navigation, you'll see for Goal 7 Policy Initiative 1, there is only one button to click. If I click here, it will take me to the last page for which I've filled in information. So the only way to amend or edit information on a previous page for Policy Initiative 1 is to use the back button. If I click on the back button, I will receive this warning. It reads, "Will temporarily save your work, but answers on this page will not be recorded unless you come back and submit this page." So I can choose to stay on this page and click Next to submit, or I can go back to a previous page in order to make the change that I need to make. It is now imperative that you click Next back through all of the pages for which you click back in order to submit them. If you do not do this, it will not record the information you have entered. We will now see that under Goal 7, Policy Initiative 1, it is marked as complete. I have now filled in all of the information for my report, and I'm on the final page. By clicking Next below, I'll be taken to a summary of responses where I can download as a PDF all of my responses and hit Submit to fully submit my report. I want to show you on this page how you can navigate back in order to make a change in case you see an error as you're reviewing all of your responses. If you scroll to the bottom of this page, you will not see a Report Navigation button. Instead, you will need to hit the back button and then you will choose for which section you need to make a change. For example, perhaps in Key Activity 3, for Goal 3, I notice something that I want to make different. So I can go into that, make the change that I need, click Report Navigation, and choose Summary of Responses. This will take me back to the final page before the Summary of Responses, where I can click Next. And now, as I scroll down and review all of my responses, I will see that the change in Goal Area 3, Activity 3 has been made. So let's scroll down and see if we can find that. So as you can see, it previously was Local Board of Health, and I made the change here. You can do this for other changes as well. Finally, you'll need to click the Submit button to submit your final report. Thank you for taking time to watch this video.